Advantages of growing a grafted Kaffir lime. Growing a grafted Kaffir lime tree can offer numerous benefits over growing one from seeds or cuttings. If you're a home gardener or a commercial grower, here's why opting for a grafted tree is a smart choice. Shot 1. Faster fruit production. Grafted Kaffir lime trees often start bearing fruit much earlier than trees grown from seeds. This is because grafted trees combine the root system of a mature tree with a scion from a fruit-bearing tree, bypassing the long juvenile phase typical of seed-grown trees. 2. Consistent quality. Grafted trees produce fruit that is true to the parent plant, ensuring consistency in flavor, aroma, and texture. This predictability is particularly important for those who use Kaffir lime leaves and fruits in culinary applications. 3. Disease resistance grafting can help improve the disease resistance of Kaffir lime trees. The rootstock used in grafting is often selected for its ability to withstand local soil-borne diseases and pests, making the grafted tree more resilient and easier to maintain. 4. Controlled size. Grafted trees tend to have a more predictable and manageable growth pattern. This makes them ideal for container gardening or small garden spaces where controlling the size of the tree is crucial. 5. Reliable growth. The grafting process involves using rootstock that is well suited to the local growing conditions. This means grafted trees are often more robust and better adapted to the environment, leading to healthier growth and higher survival rates. 6. Higher yield. Because grafted trees mature faster and are often more vigorous, they tend to produce higher yields compared to trees grown from seeds or cuttings. This can be a significant advantage for both home gardeners and commercial producers. 7. Better adaptability. The rootstock used in grafting is chosen for its adaptability to various soil types and environmental conditions. This means grafted Kaffir lime trees can thrive in a wider range of conditions than their seed-grown counterparts. 8. Uniformity grafted trees are clones of the parent tree, which means they offer uniformity in growth habits, fruit production, and overall appearance. This can be particularly beneficial for commercial growers who require a consistent product. Conclusion. Opting for a grafted Kaffir lime tree provides numerous benefits, from faster fruiting and consistent quality to improved disease resistance and adaptability. Whether you're a home gardener looking for a reliable tree or a commercial grower aiming for higher yields, grafted Kaffir lime trees are an excellent choice. By choosing grafted Kaffir lime trees, you can enjoy quicker fruiting, higher quality, and a more manageable growth process. Consider this option to make the most out of your gardening efforts.